This weekend, behind a cold front, this cold air mass will move over the southern regions of South Africa, pushing in much cooler conditions, lots of cloud and light rain for the southern parts of the country. A few isolated thunderstorms still likely the morning in the Eastern Cape, but then later that onshore flow will bring in showers and much cooler conditions for the Eastern Cape and later KwaZulu-Natal. A few isolated storms likely over northwest and the Highveld from late afternoon, but they can quickly blow away due to the lack of moisture. Most of the storms are expected to develop along the escarpment of Mpumalanga and the surrounding regions. A poor preview harvest where it's cloudy, as you can see in the shades of purple and blue in parts of the Cape provinces, but peak performance in the Northern Cape, Northwest and Free State, where it's also going to be windy the afternoon. So the Weather Service warning against runaway fires, a westerly wind blowing moderate to fresh in northwest, the Highvelds and the Free State. And then we also do have this much cooler onshore flow expected to blow fresh at times along the coast of South Africa. This onshore flow also bringing in lots of cloud and much cooler conditions for the Western Cape, only 18 degrees in Cape Town, and some light rain possible over the Overstrand as well as the surrounding regions. This includes the southern coastline, cloudy and windy with temperatures remaining below 20 and some light rain possible at times, only 17 in Plettenberg Bay. The same onshore flow bringing in much cooler conditions for the Eastern Cape and lots of cloud throughout Friday. Early the morning, a few thunderstorms are still likely over the coastal regions, but then later showers moving in and also a southwesterly wind picking up between East London and Port St. John's. Behind that front, this onshore flow bringing in cool conditions for KwaZulu-Natal with partly cloudy conditions. Light showers later expected with 23 in Durban, but from late afternoon after a hot afternoon, thunderstorms expected to develop over the northern regions as well as here along the escarpment of Mpumalanga and the surrounding towns like Mbombela as well as eMakhazeni. It's a mainly sunny and very hot Friday for Limpopo, with maximum temperatures peaking in the mid-30s. Also quickly heating up in northwest on Friday, becoming windy, so it might be dusty at times and a few patch thunderstorms likely to develop, but as mentioned, they can also quickly blow away due to the lack of moisture on Friday. In the Northern Cape, windy in the east, where the South African Weather Service has issued a high fire danger and onshore flow for the coastal regions, with lots of cloud also being pushed in and windy westerly winds also later blowing moderate to fresh in the Free State, so it might be dusty at times. And then due to enough moisture, a few isolated thunderstorms might bubble up here and there, but they can also just quickly blow away. Same for Gauteng, quickly heating up, later the wind picking up with only a 30% chance of thunderstorms, and I think most of those storms will only blow away. Into the weekend on Saturday, lots of sunshine and becoming hot over the interior of South Africa, but cloudy and cool with light showers for the coastal regions of the country and the southeast, picking up in Cape Town on Saturday as well as Sunday, where it's still going to be quite chilly for this time of the year. Into Sunday, those cooler conditions and light showers spreading into KwaZulu-Natal with a few isolated storms likely after a hot day over the Highveld and northwest. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your Friday.